Hey guys, so today we're gonna be playing Beast Form Simulator. I pretty much already got quick start playing with my friends. Okay, so I just recorded, so wait, um we're gonna be playing Beast Form Simulator. Wait, just started recording? What the actual heck? Fight it. Fight the ladybug. I do not like miraculous. Oh my god! Stop! Stop! Where are you guys laugh? Where are you guys even laughing at? The heck? Sorry guys, they're pretty weird. Wait, Zodiac, which we are friends with. What? Fight it. Her name is Sasa. Her name is Sasa. Wait, did you literally just call me fat? You're right. I literally eat and still get hungry. I ate a whole entire meal with extra food, and a minute later, and a few minutes later, I became hungry. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. In the recording, you're only going to be able to hear Ella's screams and nothing else. But guys, it's true. Oh, honey storm! Give me all this honey! It's raining honey. The honey gods are sad. The honey god is sad. Honey god is sad. This might be my longest recording ever. I literally made 2 videos so far. I'm still not tired of recording, so I decided to join my friends and well, I was like, hey, want to record a video? What? No, guys, shut. Okay, I'm gonna scroll to the very top of the chat. Can you leave, please? I'm the mayor, so please leave or I'll ban you from Roblox. Can we record together? Hola, can we record? Sure. Okay, call me hangout. I will send a link. Ta-da! You don't know a lot of people have private servers, so this other girl, she got this server with the app, and then guys, why is my rage be so raged? It's like whenever I touch the rage, beat, I'm like, uh-oh. Wait, I'm leaving the recording. I need to catch all these funny things. No, I'm the weirdest person alive. No one can be weirder. I'm the person who says the weirdest things. I'm the person who actually says I like Why are all the flowers flat? Did someone splat on top of them? Are they made out of paper? Wait. I don't know. Yeah. Why are all the mushroom? Why does the mushroom look flat from here? How many legendaries do you have? One. Oh, wow. Wait, how many legendaries do I have? Guys, why is a moon charm called a moon charm? Why are you, how does a moon charm turn into a moon amulet? I didn't know, but why do the rhino bees look like giant blueberries? why does a rhino, why do why do rhino beetles look like giant raspberries? Oh wait, sorry, I meant to say blue. Yes, giant fat angry blueberries. Guys, meet me at the 5 area. The rarest thing I have in my the rarest video of the actually me and Ella found this little tunnel to a place that doesn't that is scary, well, to us. And we ended up and I went to the end. All I saw, guys, this is the rarest thing I have. Oil. Oil's in the game. Guys, meet me at the mushroom biome. Oh my god! I have to pause the recording really quick. Be right back, doo. Oh, sorry guys. She was talking. So there was homework assigned by the bear. So my god. Your existence, your existence annoys me. She plays in the middle of the night. She always does. What was that? I think I heard a dying roach. I think I hear a crying roach. I see a. I record in my bedroom. Guys, wait, guys, I have a question for all of you. Wait, guys, I have a question for all of you. Guys, I have a question. Can you guys all shut up so I can say a question? If you have a bigger bed, you're gonna have more of the bedroom, but you're not gonna have more. But you're gonna have less bedroom. So if you have a bigger bed, you're gonna have more bedroom. Like I like you're gonna have more bed space, but you're not gonna have enough bedroom. So which I'm gonna explode some bombs inside the rhino. I'm gonna explode all my guys. I'm gonna explode all my bombs inside Rhino Island because there's a moon sprout, and I want to burst it so it can hatch into millions of royal jellies. No, it did not explode yet. Same after your existence. What? Summon the King Beetle. Summon King Beetle. So, what? Guys, I'm gonna wait, guys. Guys, I have the rarest snow. I have a rare snowflake in my inventory, but if I try placing it, it's gonna literally delete its existence off the world, so it's useless. I'm 14. Yeah, I have a bunch of them. Field dice. Climb it! What the? Out of all of them, I think I'm one of the weirdest but cringiest. No, I think Ella's the cringiest. Ella's definitely the cringiest. She's like, this is what, and this is what you say. Guys, I accidentally picked up a rage thing. How about later? I'm waiting for it to hatch. Okay. Okay. Oh my God! It looks like a Super Mario. Dead. It looks like a rip-off Super Mario. Guys, guys, the King Beetle, guys, can I say something really quick about the King Beetle? The King Beetle looks like a rip-off version of Super Mario. Okay, well, I'm gonna start attacking it. Oh no, there's no escape! There's no escape! No. Underneath. I don't know why, but Sarah's voice is adorable. Sarah's voice is cringy. Sarah's voice is cringily adorable. Cringily adorable. Cringy and adorable. Cringy adorable. Cringe adorable. Cringe adorable. Pack it, bees. Pack it. There's so many of it. I lose so much health. Guys, I'm gonna leave and rejoin. Guys, I think I'm surrounded by idiots. Yeah, I'm definitely surrounded by idiots. I'm surrounded by idiot guys. I'm surrounded by idiots. I'm gonna rejoin now. Hi. Hi guys, I was just saying something really quick about you, so watch my videos so you can cringe at me again. Okay, I love to comment. I love to comment too. In the hangout. I'm thinking I'll link to the video then. I find it, but I can't get a link to your channel. That's such another can. Find it. And I'm coming. Wait, Ella, that doesn't. Wait, so does that mean you're not subscribed to me? I am subscribed. You need to turn on notifications so my pictures off. I don't understand. Okay, well, I can tell you. Well, I can turn my notifications on. Okay. Some random person, yes, maybe we'll just post some video and then while I'm recording, like, wait, so yeah, so I don't put the notifications with it because you know why, right? Yeah. Wait. Guys, I'm trying to splat this land so it cannot grow, but ends up keep on growing. And it's annoying that keeps on growing because I need. This is my new auto farm. My new auto farm is kind of broken. I need you. Oh my god. Good. Good. Now you can't annoy us. Guys, I have an exhausted bee, which I'm an exhausted bee, which has insomnia just like me, and I barely get any sleep. So does this little fellow bee. So he's my favorite. Guys, I will. Okay, so wait, guys, I have something to say. I only have 4 emotions. They are tired, raged. Why? My only, my only, my my only emotions are tired, angry, hungry. Guys, I accidentally touched the rage thing. Every time I touch a rage thing, every time. Guys, follow me on TikTok. Guys, no, don't show my private TikTok. I started recording before her. How is she more popular? No. Don't show my Shigaraki TikTok. My face looks like a wreck. My face looks my face looks like my face looks like Shigaraki actually. And I'm like What? Anyway, I'm just gonna hurry up and kill the spider because nobody likes spiders. Wait, the spider's already dead. Remember when we played the spider game? Did you guys say no one likes spiders? Did you just say no one likes spiders? Oh yeah. No. Since when would I say that? Because I just heard her say it. Because I love spiders. Excuse me, I really want to try it into it. Okay, Cray Cray. Billie Eilish owns an actual spider. Maybe go meet her one day. Meet a person called Billie Eilish. You're gonna find a beautiful spider. But Billie Eilish actually owns a spider. I searched up on Wikipedia. She owns a spider, which she didn't. You Should See Me in the Crown video, which it came out of her mouth. Yes. Sarah, did you just call me a panda bear? Oh. Oh. Shut up. Please shut up. Guys, I'm gonna use the slingshot. What? Wait. I just realized I couldn't. No, guys, I actually got to the really big shop. The place where SpongeBob lives. Also the place where SpongeBob and the mantis lives. Yeah. Guys, shut up, shut up, shut up. I'm going to give a royal jelly. Really? Just a royal jelly? I got a great because I want to use this cannon. Whee! Don't tell her. The place that we thought was impossible. Yeah. Yeah. We need a parachute. In order for the parachute, you need to find 12 types of bees. Why are tall type of bees? Are they just really tall? No. I heard you say we have to find every tall type of bee. Ella, I dare you to scream. Yeah. Oh no, guys, I accidentally stepped into a rage pad. I stepped into a rage pad. Sorry, guys. That is my regular voice, idiot. Excuse me, are you deaf? I literally called Ella idiot. What is this play? Oh my god. Guys, I stepped into another raid. I stepped into another raid thing. Not me. That's probably Coco Sarah. I can't show them because I'm using another device. How do you get up there? No, that costs like real. That's like really expensive. Yes. What is that? King Royal Jelly? What? Wait, what's a stubborn bee jelly? Can I look? What does a stubborn bee do? Oh, I thought it's a bee that does something else. Wow, you're lucky. It's really fast. Guys, does anyone use a vacuum to vacuum up their plants? The game does. Yeah, I am. Pets? I'm like, pets? I'm like, this is me. Are you talking about Adopt Me or this game? Adopt Me. Adopt Me turned into a virtual pet game, not a game where you pet babies. Oh my god, that was loud. Okay, so I go into the red HQ? The red BHQ. How do you get up there? Oh, well, I sold some of my bees. Well, I turned my bees into other ones. Got that achievement, so. Wait, can you present so I can see? I want to see what it's inside the red HQ. Okay, well, I already have all the red bees, so. Okay, can you just show it to YouTube one day? Okay. That means you never even went in there. Then why'd you call it lame when you never even saw it? It probably got an update, idiot. Guys, I don't know what the heck she's talking about. How long has this video been? 37 minutes. Sorry, guys. I accidentally pressed rage. How did I turn the volume off in this video? Wait, I just realized I can buy a bee egg. It cost 8,000. Now I only have 1,000. 8,000 for. Oh, this bee, who cares? I have a royal jelly. Turn it into something better. I got another bumblebee. At least it's better than nothing. Sure, tell me. How expensive? Mondo Chick, how do you get Mondo Chick again? What? Mondo Chick. Mondo Chick, you want to go to it? Yes. Okay, well, first scissors. I have scissors. I'm just going to equip them. Yeah, go equip them, and I'll leave you at the clover area. Over area, so. Including. How much do you cut? Oh, one. Coming here? Yeah, here. Okay, now follow me. How many cleared? You already cut it, so that means I can already pass. Mondo Chick's voice is so cute. I did summon two of them. Oh wait, there's two of us. That's why. I'm gonna I'm almost dead. I should hide. Commando check. We have double the amount of grenades because we have two Mondo chicks right now. Whose Mondo chick is mine? One stinger, Bitterberry, stealing all your goods. You can steal mine, which is nearly close to dead. Hey, commando chick. Wait, that was your commando chick. I guess my bees are pretty OP. Ella's still gonna be recording with me for a bit, I think, so the bee is actually very, very OP. Hey, commando chick, what commands can you have? I'm not gonna help you. Bye bye. Okay, well, I guess this is gonna be my end of the video. Sorry for making you wait. Making you wait 43 minutes and 22 seconds. Sorry, well, bye.